In this video, I'm going to be working out an individual derivative. Alright, I am going to use the formula for the derivative of the natural log of u. Alright, that's going to be given by the formula u prime over u. Alright, which is something that should be memorized if you are into the place where you're doing derivatives with logs. Alright, in this particular formula, my u is a function of x. Alright. So we've got the derivative here that we want to find for y equals natural log of x raised to the x. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to use your log rules to simplify this. Alright, we've got a log rule that says I can take that exponent and I can pull it down in front. So that's going to be the first step that you're going to want to do. So I'm using log rules there to alter my equation, so I still have a y right here. Y is equal to x times the natural log of x. Okay, at this point right here, hopefully you recognize that that is a product. And so this is going to be just a straightforward product rule from this point out. Now I am going to go ahead and use the ddx notation throughout the entire thing. Alright, because I'm assuming that this video would be for a beginning calc student. Alright, so we want to show that we are taking the derivative. So y prime is equal to the first term, x, times the derivative of the second one, ddx of the natural log of x, alright, and then plus the second term, natural log of x, times the derivative of the first one, which would be ddx of x. Alright, generally at the very beginning of Calc 1, I have all of my Calc 1 students actually use this ddx notation kind of till they get to where they have that product rule memorized. Okay, now in my next line is where I'm actually going to take some derivatives here. So I'm going to have y prime is equal to the x that's right there. Now I'm going to actually calculate the derivative right there. Alright, natural log of x. Alright, it's going to be u prime over u. So the derivative of x is 1 over x plus natural log of x times the derivative of just my x right there would just be a 1, so it's not going to change that product at all. Simplifying right here, x times 1 over x, that's going to simplify down to a 1. So I'm going to have y prime is equal to 1 plus natural log of x. Alright, so actually a pretty straightforward derivative here. The number one thing is applying that log rule before you even start, and then hopefully you can see that product rule that's right there. Definitely for a beginning 1 calculus student. Thanks for watching. If the videos are helping, don't forget to share with your friends and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.